Hey, 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 hey. J, 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 J. Acting try to rule on me and kill, pop out shooting. He fucked up my licking, I'm like, nigga, what you doing? I'm out in my body, all these perks that I'm consuming. Run up on me wrong, your fucking life get ruined. All I take is W's, I cannot fuck with losing. Man, they sleeping on me like two whites, got them snoozing. Man, a nigga tripping, I don't feel like I'm a human. My real rank nigga started shooter revolution. Chains come out black or yellow like a fucking taxi. My dog drive the whip, I start jumping out the backseat. Shoot him in his feet and make him run like a track meet. On the Instagram beefing to that nigga to get at me. Pop out and we finish, nigga. Slide down in the minutes, nigga. Pop a nigga, I look like I ate some fucking spinach, nigga. So many painkillers, nigga. Like the way I'm feeling, nigga. Get a nigga whacked, ain't need no motherfucking witness, nigga. Call me Bob the Driller, way you young and get the drilling, nigga. Once you by myself when I can get my fucking skrillin', nigga. If you really hate me, fuck that talking, nigga. I'm killing, nigga. When the day end, just understand that I'm still that nigga. I can't fuck with bitches cause I know that they be bozo. She eating on my chocolate like a motherfucking Rolo. I remember I was solo and I stolo. Now I come through kicking shit just like a fucking dojo. Put him on his shirt like a nigga named Polo. I was big crippin' and they said that I was loco. Reminiscing about them hard days, it was so cold. Reaching for my chain, that's a motherfucking no-no. Bullets on the skin, got it looking like a tattoo. If you want the first nigga, I'ma have to text you. And I'm dripping sauce like my pockets filled with ragu. Whole lot of blood on the scene, but my flag blue. Pop out and we finish, nigga. Slide down in the minutes, niggas. Pop a nigga, I look like I ate some fucking spinach, nigga. So many painkillers, nigga. Like the way I'm feeling, nigga. Got a nigga whacked and leave no motherfucking witness, nigga.